Okay, y'all, so we're gonna put this wig on. No ball cap, because I don't need it. This little bitty lace, and I got a big forehead in the middle, so I don't need. You really only need a ball cap when you have a low hairline. We got a big forehead. The wig's gonna go all the way here, so the rest of the wig's gonna cover your braids, so you really don't need it. And I don't feel like doing all that anyways. No, we might have to cut that hot comb on. It's gonna have to be a lot of rearranging. Put the combs in the back. Okay, it's doing a little twinkle twinkle right now. Put all the curls like this. Okay. And this is it, fresh out the bag. I ain't did nothing to it yet, okay? Y'all, I know you see my camera peeking right here. I've been sitting here for 10 minutes trying to do this without the camera showing. So it's just gonna show, okay? Still like, comment, and subscribe. I don't have time to get this camera out the frame. We'll figure that out as we progress in this YouTube journey. Maybe if I make more money, I can afford something to work better, okay? We're gonna leave that there. It's not bothering you. You still see the wig. Okay. This actually looks kind of cool. I tried. So the barrel that I use a T3. I use the 1.5 barrel. Okay. It's the big barrel of the trio because I got the trio. They're not selling the trio worth a damn no more. So you guys are only getting one barrel at a time. So if you want to get the trio, it comes with this fat one. Then it comes with the 1.25, which is the regular one that everybody loves. And then it comes with a skinny one, which is the wand curl. So I use this barrel, which I normally don't use because I don't like loose curls because that's what this is giving. But I said for the girls, I was going to try something out. But let me cut this back on because I already know I'm going to touch my curls up. And then I'm also going to put on my hot comb because I know I'm going to need it for something. Okay, so first things first, I need to cut my lace. So I'm trying to see if I want to cut it straight across or if I want to give myself a widow's peak. So I don't like cutting my lace like straight across. So let me see. This always takes me time, child. Let me use this. The lace is so, ooh! That widow's peak is prominent, honey. But you know what? I didn't pluck enough. Low key, I didn't pluck enough to do a widow's peak. Well, baby. Taking it, honey. Ugh. This is where it gets spunky right here. So maybe I just won't take as much out because I really don't feel like plucking it anymore. I'm not gonna lie to you. Because if I cut it straight across, I know I'm not gonna like it. I just know it. I just know me, and I do not like straight across hairlines. So you know what? How about we attempt to pluck it some more? That way, we know that if we do a little widow's peak, that whatever hair is behind there is not super dense. Because when you do baby hairs or anything, you cannot do that on a dense hairline because it's gonna look stupid. You gotta do it on a plucked hairline. And baby, I ain't never plucked no wig on my head, so I'm feeling crazy right now. Ooh, child. I can't even see. I can't see a thing. Jesus. Okay, I plucked something. Let's see. Okay, it's a little thinner, but guess what? That middle part is still thick as hell. Ooh. I'm super scared to pluck that middle part because I feel like it ain't gonna be no hair left. And it wasn't like pre-plucked like the rest of the wigs are, but I think it's because it's a 2x6. Don't nobody want to be responsible. Okay, see this side, I can wang with it. But this side is like, you know what? F it. F it, F-A. I think I could wang with this. So if I cut this out right here, I think I could wang with that. See, I think what happened here was I over plucked. See, that's why I don't pluck. Because I don't know how to. And I'm liable to F up. And I did here. But I'm the type that I can always fix my mistakes. So I think this is a good area to take out. I do wish that it was a little more even. But I'm so scared that if I take this out with it, no, that's actually gonna give it super widow's peak. I like it, Picasso. So let me just add this hair back. Okay, cool. Okay, we're going places. So I think we're ready to cut the lace. All right, so we're gonna cut down the middle. Get you some nice, sharp, small scissors and just a jagged cut. So when you cut your lace, you wanna cut in a jagged motion. Please do not cut straight across. And make sure for your closures, you cut it all the way to the root. Cut the little white piece off. Y'all, I didn't even put makeup on my lace. I forgot. Cause I'm like, this looks white. Damn. Okay, it's all good. Cause we done already started, so. Okay, so I use, for my complexion, Ruby Kisses. I use RD16 and 15. I use because you know it has a light and a dark side. It has a light and a dark side. So I'll use the light side of RD16 and the dark side of RD15. That's my color. Well, I was supposed to put this in the lace, but I did not. Ooh. I done already put this bad boy on my head. I don't even know if it's gonna melt at this point. Cause it's kind of giving a look. It's all right actually. It's all right. It's not even too bad. Wig looks amazing. I'm just trying to see if this 2x6 is enough for me, baby. So I just put a little Evan spray on the lace. Did I cut myself with the damn scissors? Cause that burned a little bit. Okay. Do a little Evan. I don't even think I'm gonna melt it. Baby, this is only 2 inches of lace. Don't stress me out. Okay, so now, comb it out. And again, these are loose curls. The curls are loose. Let me check my phone. Okay. So the loose waves, okay. Definitely gonna have to recurl. Definitely. But at least out of the box, this is how your wig is gonna come out curled and all that stuff out of the box. Yeah, I don't like loose curls because I like my bangs to unless I didn't. But you see the layers are eaten. Are they eaten or are they eaten? Don't play with it. They're definitely eating the girls, but I don't lie. I like tight curls. I'm just not a loose curl girl. But I'm gonna go ahead and recurl. Literally took me no time to install. So if you order a wig from this company and get a ready to ship unit, this is pretty much the tea for the gross. It's just, hold on, I feel like I still got some finishing touches. I'm just so picky with my hair, y'all. Ooh, that did a little one too. Okay, so we could do this and this. Let me put a curl right here because, and I do have layers in this area. I don't know. I'm just, let me recurl right here because I just feel like it needs it. Oh, how's that gonna look? It's taking it, honey. It's a new look for me. I'm not used to this particular look. Like I said, I use that 1.25 barrel. But it is cute, and I know a lot of girls that love this loose curl look. They love it. I feel like a lot of celebrity influencer girls, this is the look that they go for. I don't know why, because it doesn't last 5 minutes. But that's what I noticed they go for. They're very soft curls. But I'm going to tell y'all right now. But I can say, this unit is 100% convenient. It took me no time to install it. I'm not even gonna sit here and hold you on that. No time. So this is the finished product, y'all. Period. That's that. I wanna see if I could probably give it a little arch, even though. To have like a pencil head, so I'll be liking my hair to stay up in the front. But all in all, I like it. It's really cute. I think the girls will love this unit. I think it's very convenient. I'm just mad that I did not freaking use that 1.25 barrel. That's it. But it's nice. Look at the flow. It's super flowy. It's very soft. Oof, it's really soft. The layers are popping. It's giving the girls, okay? It's definitely, if you want to give the girls, it's gonna get the girls for sure. Okay, so all in all, guys, this is how this unit came out. Super easy. It took me no time to do this, okay? So when you get your wig, it's gonna come straight out the box, already curl, all the layers, super flowy, super soft, already washed, all of that. And of course I cut my lace, but you can opt in for, you know, your lace to be cut. So comment below and tell me if you're a 2x6 girl now. Are you a 2x6 girl? 2x6 closure wig girl? I know this color is eating the girls up. Eating them up one at a time, rounding them up. Definitely eating the girls up. So let me know. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy wig installs, okay?